All right, so I followed my GPS to what I thought was going to be a church, but instead, it took me to a house that looks like it's been hoarding since the 1970s. Which proves one thing. One man's junk is another man's 3-story art installation. How about that? This is the Cathedral of Junk. What in the world is going on in your backyard?
I'm just playing.
Just planning?
Playing hooky.
Yeah.
I've been building sculptures in the backyard since I was a kid. I didn't really have a grand plan.
Yeah.
Just over time, it just grew, you know, to the point people started asking me, what do you call that? What's going on? I called it Yard Space 11.
Oh.
So my mom was the one that started calling it Cathedral of Junk. That was not my idea.
So when did you decide, I'm gonna just start letting people in my backyard to check this thing out?
People started asking me, could our band play here? And just word of mouth, you know, before the internet, it used to be word of mouth. Well, you know, it was in the Spy Kids 3D movie, right?
To finding lost toys.
Anything in here that means a lot to you? Is there one piece in here that's hidden that really means a lot to you?
Well, if it was hidden, then I don't want people to know about it. I mean, you see how it's layers upon layers upon layers, right? Yeah, there's stuff inside of stuff inside of stuff. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much. This is a really cool place you got
You
here.
just bumped my junk.